You just need to get rid of those preconceived notions about yourself because they will hold you back. I used to think I wasn't that good at math and it was kind of boring. But it turns out that I needed some context to the math. Finding that context of math, I feel like I'm actually capable and I don't doubt my abilities and I want to learn more. My name is Maria Paula Mugnani. I'm the Research and Restoration Coordinator here at the Pennypack Trust. There's no average day here at the Pennypack Trust. It's a mixture of planning and being out in the field and coming up with resources to use in our research. I could be working on some ArcGIS spatial mapping. I could be training a reforester on our reforestation projects. I could be out tracking beaver activity to see how they're affecting the landscape. Or this spring we'll be evaluating patterns in plant communities with our stewardship staff. A lot of my journey in science was just being outside and making observations, wondering why do the leaves change, or what is this insect I keep seeing, and looking it up, researching, collecting data, just even as a kid. I'm really fortunate to have options to go into STEM, but I think some of those cultural barriers or perceptions are still kind of present. They're fading, but they're still there. When I talk to people who are interested in STEM, I always say, don't lose your sense of curiosity. Always keep asking questions because the natural world is just full of wonder.